the 19th century, a new fashion emerged that reshaped the standards of elegance: the crinoline. It was a large metal frame, or one made from whale bones, worn beneath dresses to give them unprecedented volume. A woman wearing it looked like a moving work of art, an enormous circle gliding with graceful steps, inspiring admiration and declaring her social status. But behind this splendor, the crinoline hid another face, a harsh one that tied beauty to death. The fabrics used in those dresses, cotton, silk, chiffon, and tulle, were highly flammable, igniting from the smallest spark. And with the crinoline's massive size, the air trapped inside it acted as fuel for the flames, turning any small fire into a raging inferno within moments. Many women accidentally stepped too close to a fireplace or passed by a candle, and their dresses ignited with terrifying speed. Worse still, the metal frame that enhanced their appearance trapped their bodies and prevented them from removing their clothes. The result was catastrophic: screams, flames consuming bodies, and parties turning into funerals. According to estimates, around 3,000 women died between 1850 and 1860 due to these fires alone, while some newspapers later exaggerated, claiming the number exceeded 40,000 deaths worldwide. The tragedy did not end with fire. The skirt's width made it prone to getting caught in carriage wheels or factory machines. The sight of a woman being suddenly pulled under a horse's carriage or another trapped between the gears of a massive machine was not fiction, but a grim reality. Even in daily life, the crinoline was a curse. Narrow doors felt like barriers, sitting became difficult, and evacuating a crowded hall during an emergency was nearly impossible. Many women found themselves in dangerous situations simply because fashion had imposed a cage of steel upon them. As the number of victims grew, warnings increased. Newspapers wrote about the killer fashion, and society began to realize that excessive beauty, when it becomes an obsession, can be more precious than life itself. Over the years, the crinoline faded away, replaced by designs that were simpler and safer. But the story remained carved into history, reminding us that behind the glitter there may lie suffering, and that elegance, when it loses its reason, can condemn its admirers to death. My dear, if someone forced you to wear these clothes, what would you do? Would you obey, or would you say no?